Hi guys, Currency Games here with another video. As you guys know today, or you might not have known, but today the markets were not open. It's Boxing Day, so the market should resume tomorrow, if I'm not mistaken. Even I did wake up thinking, what the hell? It's a bit weird, but just how the thing runs, isn't it? It's one of them things. Anyway, let's go get into our analysis for Euro USD. What I want to do is I want to start from the monthly. Mainly because if you see right here in between these candles, we have a very small fair value gap just in there on the monthly time frame. Okay, and even as a small fair value gap, when it's on these higher time frame charts, it's worth to take note, because it's better you know it's there than you be blindsided and a reversal happens up here you didn't know, purely because you didn't mark it out, because it's easy to forget these things. So yeah, that's what I'd mark out here for the monthly time frame. And we also have a fair value gap here, but this candle hasn't finished yet, so it's not technically a fair value gap yet, but there's something to keep an eye out for. As well, this weekly this monthly FEG hit also is just above some weekly highs that are resting just here. So let me type that out. Okay, looking for the liquidity on the opposite side, there's not really much to go on this time frame. We can mark this out here. Going on to the daily time frame, where things get a bit more interesting. As you can see on the daily time frame, we are almost trending upwards. We're just continuously making high highs and holding the lows. Something that I would be interested in looking at would possibly be this level just here as a support zone for this this pair. That is also this daily order block where the H12 is a bit more of a refined area, and we can see the liquidity that's been built up underneath here as well. So something interesting like this could possibly take place and move down to go up and possibly attack the liquidity resting up here. But that's all I'm going to mark out for this pair, because I don't want to go too far down the time frames, considering we are considering we are just about to enter the new year. There's not really much point. This order block here actually looks quite interesting, to be fair. Let's see if we do. It's not that clear, is it? What I was looking at is this order block here as well. But as I said, I'm just not gonna pay too much attention to it at the moment. I just want to see how we react and if we come deeper down into this area down here. Because right now this is just very all of this here is just very fugazi price action. I'd rather just see if we can come down and push up. That's all I'm going to mark out for this pair, to be fair. I'm not going to do too much in it. Anyway, that's what I'm looking at for Euro USD. Now, going on to Euro GBP. I'll start with the monthly. Oh, it's internet. The internet is so slow. There we go. Cool. Starting off with the monthly, had a massive wick up here, and we've come down into this order block here, which was that fair value gap that we've had marked out for quite a while now, and you can see we've got quite bullish from it. We have now made a new fair value gap here, so that'll be worth marking out. FEG, going down to the daily time frame, that FEG there is the liquidity resting just below this low, so again that is worth marking out. Okay, Dropping down to the 12-hour. What we need to be careful is on the 12 hours, we could possibly see some sort of retracement take place. So I would be interested in H12 high here, but I also wouldn't, if you look at the range we're in here, if you are looking at shorts as a retracement back down into a discount, from time we hit the 50% level here, which you'll notice is this fair value gap here, and also this order block as well, I wouldn't be too interested in taking shorts. That's where I'll probably switch the direction and look for more long price action. Going into the H4 again, we need to see H4 is not the cleanest, to be fair. We are making higher highs, pushing higher. I was going to stay in the H12. I just want to see at what we do at these levels in the H12 here. So do we get a reaction possibly like this? So if we can come up here, take out the high and possibly retrace lower. Okay, that's one possible scenario we could see. Or if we come down to this level and push up, we could even see a much further retracement down, possibly here, and then push up to back to the bullish side. So you got to be careful with different scenarios that could take place in this pair, to be fair. But I'll be looking at these H12 reference points, so this high, possibly this high as well. Just gonna be careful. What my main point with this high, you have this low here. Let me mark that out as well, to be fair. This fair value gap and this daily low and this fair value gap, and I want to see how the H4 and the H1s react when we get to these significant points in price, and then that could give me a good indication on a possible bias going into the New Year's. But yeah, that's all for today. Hopefully we can see some high probable setups this week. I'm not gonna have too much expectation considering it's gonna be New Year soon. So just got to keep expectations low, but always stay sharp and keep our eyes on the market. But anyway, guys, that's all for today, and yeah, enjoy your New Year's.